Everyone. Now today I am showing you my next question that has come in CKA exam question sets. So that is for total 16 question has come, and I have already uh, shared the video for the 8 questions, and this is the question number 9 that maybe 99% will come in exam. It may be a little bit different, but almost same question will come in the exam after the pattern has changed. So this is the question number 9. A user accidentally deleted the MariaDB deployment in the MariaDB namespace, which was configured with the persistent storage. Your responsibility is to reestablish the deployment while ensuring data is preserved by reusing the available persistent volume. That means in exam persistent volume will already be created. You no need to worry about this. The task is a persistent volume already exists and is retained for reuse. Only one PV exists. Create a persistent volume claim named MariaDB in the MariaDB NS with the spec. Access mode is read write once and storage 250 MB. So persistent volume already will be there. You have to create persistent volume claim. In second part, edit the MariaDB deployment file located at this to use PVC created in the previous step. So deployment file will already be given. You have to just use that PVC you have created. Apply the updated deployment file in the cluster. Ensure the MariaDB deployment is running and stable. Okay. So first check that is PV is already there and namespace is already there. Okay. To the cluster. So you can see that persistent volume is already there. Okay. So in exam, namespace will MariaDB namespace will already be there. Just you no need to create MariaDB namespace, but here for lab practice you have to create. In lab exam you also have to create the persistent volume. So for that, just go to the Kubernetes document and you can create it. Let me show you. That's the persistent volume, and you can find YAML file to create a persistent volume. Just scroll down. This is the PVC claim. This is the persistent volume. So you can copy YAML file and you can create the persistent volume. So this is the exact file you need. You can edit according to your lab environment, but in exam it will be already there. Now you have to create the persistent volume claim. So that is the name is MariaDB with the specification, access mode and storage. So you just come here and search the persistent volume claim, and you can copy So just copy from here to, you no need to copy the everything, you stick copy from here to this and create a file. Paste here. Now you have to give the name MariaDB. Give name space also, name space MariaDB, and then access mode is already read write once. File system, you can remove it, no need of this. And resource request is mi. Now create the PVC. Now you can see that PVC is created. Check. In namespace, you can that it is created. Now next is check the file. MariaDB deployment is already there, so just open it, and here you need to add two things. So let me share my uh, the detail what you need to add. So open the, you can get from the document also, the same file, same location, port. Yeah, so this is in part, but that can be applicable to deployment also. So you can copy this and paste and then edit. So I have already did the changes, so I am just copying from there and updating it. Okay, so for this you can get details from the documentation. Here it is given in for a pod, but the process is same. You have to add volume mounts and volumes. Just copy and paste in the YAML file and update the details, right? Like a mount path and name and PVC name. Okay, but I have already updated, so I'm just copying from there. So go to this file. Here you can paste. Okay, now just match here. It is in below the image. Volume mounts is below the image, and in parallel to container it is volume. So go to there. This seems fine. You need to edit the volume mounts name, and volume name should be same which you have given in volume. Mount path will be should be same, and persistent volume claim is the name of MariaDB. Okay, just edit and apply. Okay. So deployment is created. Now you just have to verify it. So pubctl get deployment, it is in namespace MariaDB. So you can see that deployment is created and running. You can also check the pod is also running. So this is the for this question you have applied and you have ensured that MariaDB deployment is running and is stable. So this is for this question only, and just to practice, and instead of remembering everything, you just need to remember from where you have to get help and how you get from the Kubernetes document, because that will be available in exam and you can search anything from that documentation. So just do it, practice, and best of luck for your examination. Thank you.